Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering SEO. Introducing the SEO Mysteries Exposed ebook bundle. Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering SEO. Introducing the SEO Mysteries Exposed ebook bundle. Discover proven strategies to drive traffic, improve search engine rankings, and stay ahead of the competition. Each ebook is written in clear, concise language, making complex SEO concepts easy to understand and apply. Learn the secrets of A/B testing, keyword research, onsite and offsite optimization, and much more. Stay current with the latest SEO trends and updates, ensuring you always have the best strategies at your fingertips, packed with actionable tips. This bundle offers practical insights you can implement immediately. Save money by purchasing this bundle at a fraction of the cost of individual ebooks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, this bundle will enhance your SEO knowledge and skills, improve your website's visibility, drive more organic traffic, and enhance your online presence. Perfect for website owners, digital marketers, bloggers, small business owners, e-commerce entrepreneurs, and more. This bundle serves as a valuable resource you can return to whenever you need guidance on SEO strategies and techniques. Unlock the secrets of successful SEO with the SEO Mysteries Exposed ebook bundle. Order your copy today and start transforming your online presence. Visit our website to order your bundle now.